My name is Fernando Lutia.
I'm Irene Lutia.
When we first bought the house in 2000, it was just a base.
Basically, when we bought the house, we fell in love with it. We did the upgrades ourselves. We were young back then, that's like 23 years ago. So we did the floor ourselves, we did the painting, I did the painting, the bathroom, we did the tiling, but we never touched the kitchen.
Finally took the leap on getting our kitchen remodeled, and when my wife found KHB, we look at their website. Oh wow, look at all these photos of everything there. That I want a kitchen just like that. It looked like it came, said earlier, from a Woman Garden magazine or Architectural Digest. If they can do that to our kitchen, they will be so happy.
I think I said that why don't you call them? Maybe they're the one.
Well, we also because Ryan has a YouTube blog.
Right.
We saw all those videos and we liked how he presented himself and his company, and we like how he does blogs and what are the red flags for contractors. So
they're transparent. I said maybe they're trustworthy.
And I think we already knew.
Yeah, from the very beginning.
I think it's the contractor we're gonna choose because he was willing to come over, without any obligations from both parties.
So me and my husband look at each other, but we're ready because we really wanted to do it. So we said, just think about it, and I'll, give me a call. I said, no, let's start.
I think we'll decide to hire you.
And he was like,
he made it
we're not gonna think about it. I said, no, let's start.
He made us feel really comfortable from the we met in at the beginning. And because a lot of we met a lot.
We met the designer. We had the designer.
Yeah.
I like her because whatever I told her, I have my own design. I have my own vision. But when I met Alana, she listens to what I want and what I wanted to happen in here. The only good thing about it, we work on it, and she probably the things that doesn't work on my design, on what I want, she give me, okay, maybe you could do this, Irene, you could do this, to that. I said, oh yeah, you're right. And then when I presented it to her, she gave me a visualization that, oh my gosh, she gave me the design that I want. So she sees it.
I love this island. It's so welcoming because before this, the island that we have, like a bio-level island, and nobody ever sat in it.
Oh, no.
But now with this island, the sun as well, they just, sit there and just do what it needs to do. And I'm sure when, the holiday comes around, this is probably going to be the new place as far as hanging out, because before we would be in their hangout. I think when they see the kitchen, I think this is probably going to be where mostly everyone's going to gather and just, shoot the breeze.